guys, today I'm going to talk about my glassware. I won't be talking about the sets I have that I use when I have guests around the house, but I want to talk about the casual glassware that I like to use every day. And I fall in love with almost every glassware that looks good and which has good quality. So I just want to show you my collection, and I get for everyday use I get them in twos for me and my husband. So I'm going to start with this. This is the first one. This is a pink one. I got this from Macy's and I just loved it. The quality and the purple color, it's cool, it's amazing. So this is the first one, and then I'm going to show you the other one, and this is the other one. This I got from a local store, but look at the quality, you know, it's almost matching with this Macy's stuff. And then the other one is this. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was in the clearance section. I had another with this, and that had a big ship on it. It was so good, but it broke because of my dog. So even this quality is so good. So this is the third. Now coming to this, I love this. This has a soccer bottom, and it's like this. It's really pretty. And as you can see, I don't want to collect the full set for each and every tumbler glassware, because it's going to be too heavy, and I don't want to have tons and tons of glasses. For everyday use, I like 2 of these for me and my husband. And sometimes we don't drink wine, so I love to use these goblets for juice, or sometimes I do drink water in this also. So I love this. This I got from a local store, at not a dollar store, but it was $1. Cool. And look at this. This is one more. I love it. Even this was, I think, $1.50. This is another one. I had purple color, but that broke again, unfortunately. So these are the ones I usually get from the clearance section. Whenever I go to a grocery store, I would love to go to the clearance section just to find out if I get more glassware. I don't know, I'm kind of fond of glassware, and you know, I tend to just fall in love with these. And this is the other one, light greenish shade it has. And look at this, it has fruits at the bottom. I don't know, I'm not sure whether I'm able to show it good, but there is a pear. Wait, I think I should show it on some colored paper. So this is another one. Whenever I go to a grocery store, I always try to go around the clearance section, because they have real good kind of glassware, though they have 1 and 2, but that's okay for me. I just need 2. And this is the one I was talking about. It has fruits underneath. I'm not sure whether I'm able to show good. See, these are the grapes. And then I have the blue one and the green one of the same kind. And I'm not sure, did I show these? I forgot. So because I put pause in the middle of cooking also, so I don't remember I showed these. So again, these I have. And then I got this. This was $1, and look at it. Look at the quality. I just love it. So good. And this I got 2 weeks ago from our grocery store. Look at the lemon. You know, I just feel like having lemonade right now, because it's going to be summer, so I thought this was good addition. And this one, it has a kind of goofy neck. I know, but I give ice cream for my kids in this. They like this. I don't know, for some reason they love it. So this is pretty much it. I have collected, but I one day I'll make a video about the sets I have, my glassware, but this is the general use sets I'm showing, set of 2 each. So basically this is what I have. But I just have to say something, you know, sometimes it's always good to have sets and everything going on. I agree to that, but sometimes, you know, we women, we tend to love everything we see, like that's good and good quality and good for health and all that stuff. So I don't think it's a bad idea to just have 2 for you and your husband or your boyfriend, and we can enjoy this stuff, and it doesn't hurt also, like somebody breaks it or whatever. So I love these things. So it's not a bad idea. Just give a thought next time when you go to a grocery store or a Dollar Tree and you see something really very beautiful. I think you should grab it and have fun with it. And okay, then have a good day, and hope you liked my video. And please, if you want to just try the suggestion, anything you like, don't hesitate to bring. You don't have to be always in packs and loads of everything. We don't have to be proper at all times. So sometimes we can have free living. So it's our kitchen, so we can live free. So hope you like my advice, my suggestion, and thank you for watching my video, and have a good day. Bye bye.